How to fix Cyberpunk 2077 crashing on Windows PC. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Verify the integrity of game files. 2.1. On Steam, 2.2 GOG Galaxy, 2. Point 3 on Epic Games Launcher. 3. Disable in-game. Overlay in GOG Galaxy. 4. Stop overclocking. 5. Close unnecessary programs via WTM. 6. Adjust in-game settings. 6.1 Turn off VSync. 6.2. Graphics tab, set the options under the Advanced section to low or medium. 7. Uninstall then reinstall Cyberpunk 2077.